Ever feel like you've struck gold finding the perfect PLR product, only to have it look, well, a little cheap? You know, it has potential, but it just screams generic. The secret to making serious sales with PLR isn't about finding some magical, unheard of product. It's all about the rebrand. I'm going to show you exactly how to transform that basic PLR into a premium, must-have product that customers will be excited to buy. First things first, let's talk about the name. Generic names like The Ultimate Guide to Fitness are a dead giveaway. You need to get specific and creative. Think about your target audience. What problem are you solving for them? Instead of fitness guide, try something like the Busy Mom's 15-minute energy boost workout. See the difference? It speaks directly to a specific person with a specific need. Brainstorm a list of names that sound unique, benefit-driven, and memorable. A great name is your first step to looking premium. Next up, a total visual makeover is non-negotiable. Most PLR comes with bland, outdated designs. This is where you can really shine. Your goal is to create a cohesive and professional brand identity. Start by creating a new, eye-catching cover. You can use tools like Canva to design something stunning, even if you're not a graphic designer. Choose a modern color palette, select clean fonts, and find high-quality images or create custom graphics that align with your new brand. Don't just slap a new cover on it. Update the entire visual style throughout the product. Every page should reflect your new, premium branding. Consistency is key to building trust. Now, let's dig into the content itself. You can't just change the cover and call it a day. To truly make it your own, you need to rewrite and enhance the content. Start by reading through the entire product and injecting your own unique voice and personality. Add personal stories, case studies, or examples that your audience can relate to. This is your chance to build a connection. Expand on the existing information. Is there a new study you can reference? Can you add a bonus chapter or a checklist that makes the content even more valuable? The goal is to add so much of your own value that the original PLR becomes unrecognizable. You're not just rebranding, you're upgrading. Let's talk about bonuses. This is where you can really elevate your offer and make it irresistible. Think about what complementary materials would make your main product even better. If your PLR is an ebook, you could create a companion workbook, a series of video tutorials, a checklist, a resource guide, or even a template pack. These bonuses don't have to be massive. A simple one-page checklist can be incredibly valuable. By bundling your rebranded PLR with exclusive bonuses, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a complete solution. This instantly increases the perceived value and justifies a higher price point. Finally, package it all together on a professional sales page. Your sales page is your digital storefront, so it needs to look the part. Use your new branding, compelling copy, and clear calls to action. Showcase your rebranded product and all the amazing bonuses. Use mock-ups to visually represent what customers will receive. This makes your digital product feel tangible and more valuable. Testimonials are pure gold, so if you have any, feature them prominently. A well-designed sales page builds confidence and convinces customers that your product is the real deal. So there you have it. By renaming, redesigning, rewriting, and adding value with bonuses, you can turn any basic PLR product into a premium offer that sells. It takes a bit of work, but the payoff is a unique product that you can be proud of and that your customers will love. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips.